Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful butterfly with different types of shapes. Here I am drawing a square shape. Let's draw some circles. 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle, 4 circle and 5 circle. Let's draw a line like me and then draw a circle. You should also draw another line and then draw another circle. And here you should draw 2 oval shapes. Follow me and try to draw like me. You should draw 2 more oval shape at the left side. Wow, you can see the butterfly is ready. Now you can use any kinds of design. Here I am making some designs. I draw the butterfly using shapes. Let's start to color it. First one I am using red color. Here I am using yellow color. And now I am using purple color. This is deep purple color. And the last one I am using light blue color. Wow, the butterfly is looking so beautiful. This is very easy to draw. You should also try to draw it. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new interesting video for you. Till then, bye bye little kids. Wow!